Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to introduce a new brand to my collection. The brand is Huda Beauty. Now let me start off by talking about Huda herself. I've been really researching her lately and I'm just so inspired by how she started up and how she created such a huge brand for herself. I'm Lebanese background, so it's just so inspirational to see other women that are also from Middle Eastern backgrounds just create something for themselves. It's very motivating, and her products honestly are insanely good. So I went ahead and purchased the Desert Dusk palette. It's a gorgeous palette. The colors are just insane. It comes with various shimmer shades and matte shades. I actually created this look with it and I'm in love. I also purchased the contour and strobe set, and this color is on my lips right now. This is Trophy Wife. It's just beautiful. It comes with a lip pencil, a liquid matte lipstick, and also a lip strobe as well that adds a little bit of shine to the lips. So keep watching and I'll show you exactly how I got this look.
I'm starting off by priming my eyes. Here I'm using my Shape Tape concealer. Taking this matte nude shade from the palette, it's called Desert Sand, I'm putting it all over my eyelid. Next up, I'm putting this warm neutral shade called Eden into my crease. I'm also using this color Saffron into my crease. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous shade, but it's pretty pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I'm using this warm brown shade called Oud from the palette just to warm up my crease even further. Now it's time to cut crease with my Shape Tape concealer in light medium. For the cut crease, I'm going to tap the concealer lightly with this flat brush. Make sure you do not blend it in. You want that concealer to be saturated in color. I had to use the purple shades in this palette, so I'm going in with Amethyst into my outer edge. Then using this shimmer purple shade from the palette called Royal, I'm tapping it into the middle area of my eyelid. Now I'm going in with my concealer again to cut crease the inner corner before I use the next color just to make it pop just a little bit more. Using this gorgeous shimmer shade Cashmere, I am patting it into the inner corner of my eyelid. Next up, I'm taking some of the color Twilight and patting it right over that Cashmere shade. Here I am taking some of the Saffron color and patting it under my eye. I'm going in with a clean brush and blending in my crease to get rid of any harsh edges. I am then going in with Desert Sand to highlight my brow bone. Of course, this look is not complete without a cat eye. I'm using this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in black to line my waterline. I'm brushing out my eyebrows and filling them with Benefit's Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil. I seriously love this Lancome mascara. It's definitely my favorite. For bronzer, I am using Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer. This is my holy grail, definitely my favorite. I have not found anything that's better than this bronzer. Here I am highlighting my nose using Too Faced Shape Tape. And then I am using this Too Faced blush palette to just apply some blush onto my cheeks. I am so excited to try Huda's new liquid lipsticks. The shades look absolutely gorgeous. I love that her kits come in a set with the liquid lipstick, the strobe, and also the lip pencil. The lip pencil is super easy to use. It's just like butter. Even though the lipstick dries matte, it is not drying at all. Oh my goodness, this shimmer strobe is so pretty. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for all of your comments. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.